breezies, puffs. So today I'm gonna be trying on a wig from Innovative Weaves and Wigs, and I'm gonna be trying on the unit Kayla in 22 inches. Except I'm actually blowing her out, and I'm gonna be doing a braid out style, basically a stretch braid out style. And make sure you subscribe and click that notification bell so you never miss a video from me, because I'm definitely gonna be doing a video of me wearing the wig in its natural state. So you wanna stick around for that. So right now I have my hair in some chunky twists that I'm just gonna pull back in a ponytail to put the wig on. And then I also have some leave out that I'm gonna be showing you guys how to wear this wig in the best way possible to make it look super natural. So Innovative Weaves and Wigs is the first brand to come up with the Thin-Part Wig. This packaging is super cute. It has a really cute like message on the inside. It comes with a 30-day warranty, so you can get your money back if you don't like it for whatever reason, but I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. This is a nice little silk bag they keep it in to keep the curls nice and soft. And I'm going ahead and I am co-washing the hair. And as you can see, the curls are absolutely beautiful. I'm putting in some heat protectant, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and blow the hair out. So the first style I'm gonna be doing with this wig is a side part with a tiny bit of leave out. So I'm actually just gonna take the rest of my twists and put them in a ponytail. So this is the wig blown out, and I'm gonna show you guys how to wear this wig with a tiny bit of leave out. Just to show you guys like the cap construction, this cap is completely breathable, which I absolutely love. Hold on. You could literally stick your fingers through the hair and be able to scratch your own scalp, which I love because I be getting an itchy scalp sometimes. And she also has one clip in the back and 2 clips in the front, not to mention the clips that go around the leave out. So I am going to apply the clips around the leave out first before I actually get the whole wig around my head. I just feel like that's easier to place the hair. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take out my leave out and style the hair. Okay guys, so now I have the wig on and I feel like I have big Diana Ross vibes, like wow. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a braid out, so hopefully it'll look a little less crazy, okay? So just to show you guys how much the wig like blends in with my hair even without leave out, which I'm gonna show you guys how that looks with a middle part, but that is crazy. Like, this is the wig. So now I'm just going ahead and splitting my leave out in half. You guys can see how thin my leave out is. Like, you really need like the minimal amount of leave out. And I'm going to go ahead and blowing out my hair so that it blends in with the wig better. Alright, so I started braiding, and y'all, this is a lot of hair. Like, this is a lot of hair. And I'm using some of this Marc Anthony mousse. I'm only gonna use a little bit because I don't want it to completely revert the hair. Alright guys, so I finished putting in my braids. There really is no rhyme or reason to them, but I did not do them super close to the root because I still wanted some volume. I don't know, so we'll see how that comes out. I did 8, I think like 4-ish on each side. Some of them are different sizes, but it's gonna come out cute. So I am just going to straighten up a little bit. I'm gonna get dressed and I'll come back, take the braids down, and show you what they look like. Okay guys, so I'm back and I'm ready to take down my hair, so let's get started. I did want to mention to y'all that I probably should have used more mousse because I noticed that the braids that I used like less mousse on weren't as defined. So if you're gonna try this style, definitely use a little bit more mousse than I use. Oh my God. Guys. Like, what? I am taken aback. I Wait, we're gonna need a whole full body moment. Hold on, not full body, but full upper body. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. All right guys, so that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss another video.